Replace ink cartridges in the HP DeskJet 2900, 4300, 5100, and 5800 printer series. Replace ink cartridges that are low or out of ink with new genuine HP ink cartridges. First, turn on the printer. Then open the ink cartridge access door. The ink carriage automatically moves to the center of the printer. Wait until the printer is idle and silent before continuing. Lightly press down on the black ink cartridge on the right side slot to release it. Then pull the black ink cartridge out. Remove the new black ink cartridge from its packaging, then carefully remove the plastic tape using the pull tab. Caution: don't touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles. Handling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Hold the black ink cartridge by its sides. With the nozzles facing the printer, carefully insert it into the right side slot. The cartridge needs to be inserted at a slightly upward angle. Press in, and then push up on the cartridge until it snaps into place. Repeat the same process for the tri-colored ink cartridge in the left carriage slot. When finished, close the ink cartridge access door. After new ink is installed, an alignment page prints automatically. If the alignment page does not automatically print, you can print the alignment page using the HP app. To do this, open the HP app. Select your printer. Scroll down to Diagnostics and select Print Quality Tools. Select the option to align the printer. The printer performs the alignment and then prints a test page.